Good morning, ladies. Today's grammar focus, simple present questions. We are going to look at yes-no questions and work questions. And what is our structure? So for do and does, we have do and does, the subject plus the verb. So for example, do you work? Do, because you is strong and big, so no S. And my answer will be a yes or no. Yes, I do, or no, I don't. He, my subject is singular, so it gets an S. Does he work? Because does already takes the S, I do not have to add it on work. Does he work? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. For work questions, you have your structure, word plus does, the subject and the verb. So for example, where? If my work question word is where do you work? Again, do for you. Where do you work? I work at Thomas Jefferson. Where does he work? He, and because we're still in simple present, he works at Thomas Jefferson. Okay, and notice the intonation. For does and do questions, my yes and no answers, we have a rising intonation. Where do you work? Does he work? For work questions, we have a falling intonation. Where do you work? Where does he work? Do you work? Does he work? A rising intonation. Where do you work? Where does he work? A falling intonation. Then we're also looking at time expressions, and we're going to look at, in the, and on. At we use for specific times and with night. So for example, at 9 o'clock, at noon, or at midnight, or at night. In the we use with morning, afternoon and evening. In the evening I go to Zumba. In the afternoon we have a snack. On is with specific days of the week. Like on Sunday we eat chicken. On Sundays we stay at home. On weekends we visit family. On weekdays I do my videos.